Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we have a transformative topic to share, breaking big goals into small steps. It's about uncovering the mysteries of achieving seemingly impossible dreams. Get ready to turn your vision into reality with this game-changing approach. We all have big dreams and ambitions, but it's easy to feel overwhelmed when faced with the enormity of our goals. That's where breaking them down into small, manageable steps comes in. Think of your big goal as a complex puzzle, each small step as a piece that when put together creates a beautiful picture of success. The first step in breaking down big goals is to clearly define your big goal. What do you want to achieve? Be specific and paint a vivid picture of what success looks like to you. Breaking down my big goal made it less intimidating and gave me a clear roadmap to follow. It allowed me to celebrate small victories, keeping me motivated and focused. Highly unusual that brings us to the second step. Once you've defined your big goal, it's time to break it down into smaller, achievable steps. Each step should be realistic and have a clear deadline, creating a sense of accountability. Taking one small step at a time not only eases the burden, but also builds momentum and confidence. Remember, success is not about achieving everything overnight. It is about steady progress and determination. Think of each completed step as filling a progress bar, bringing you closer to your larger goal. The third step is very important: celebrate your small victories. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small, and reward yourself. Celebrations boost your motivation and get you excited for the next step. Celebrating your small victories is like adding fuel to your determination, pushing you further towards your bigger goal. So, dare to dream big and don't let the enormity of your goals hold you back. Break them down into small steps, one step at a time, and success will come your way. Thank you for joining us today. If you find this video useful, show it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. Remember, breaking down big goals into smaller steps is the key to achieving the impossible. Take care, until next time, dream big and win one step at a time. Welcome.